Holiday nominated this year, and I cannot tell you how freaking happy we are to be standing in front of you today. So Zoover is not a niche website, it's about holidays. So holidays, this is something so important. We're all waiting for them. We dream of them. We also idolize them. But do we really want to end up in this pool? For the one who don't, you better inform yourself to avoid such surprises. So Zoover is all about user-generated content. From the start, our aim has been to keep the user in the center of our attention. In our model, the user has more importance than the technology itself, is the real value of our concept. So on the top of written text, we have pictures, videos, maps. Zoover is different because it's privately owned and fully independent, and this is a critical point when you talk about reviews. We do not sell directly travel packages in order to avoid conflicts of interest. We have reviews and opinions not only about hotels, but as well about apartments, campsites, cruises, tourist attractions, restaurants, and as well destinations. We are active on both consumer and business side. We provide transparent and objective information to the consumers. And on the business side, we generate qualified traffic to travel players, or we also increase their conversion rates for the ones who integrate our content to their own websites. So I will not go for a live demo because, as some of you could have noticed, it's not that stable, so that I have a plan B, some screenshots. So this is our homepage. Let me take you to France. So here you have an idea of all the partners some of the partners we are working for. Now I'm taking you to Paris, France, City of Love. As you can see, we don't only have reviews about accommodation, but about destination as well. So from the comments of our consumers, you can see that Paris is not such a child-friendly destination, but it's a great destination for who is looking for cultural activities. So now we are at the level of an hotel. You can see that we have a few hundred reviews about it, and a clear and transparent information about it. You see, for instance, that it's well rated about the situation in the center. So this is information that you can trust. It doesn't come from the hotelier himself. It really comes from clients who are staying there. Want to know more about the hotels in terms of prices and availability? You just click on the following links there, and you land on our partners. And this is how we make the money. We generate then targeted traffic and get some CPC for that. So we have some really cool tools as well for tour operators or for hotels. We propose them to integrate our content on their own products. Like this, it brings transparency, and that helps them to higher their transformation ratio. It also lowers their click out because all the useful information is on their website. And it also limits the number of complaints because the customers know what they will find there. And the best thing of this as well is that we offer this service for free. The only thing we ask in return actually is to get some help in order to collect new reviews. We also have a syndication model for hotels where they can as well integrate their reviews. It helps them to have access to some information that where they can track the level of quality, and it also increases their sales for the one who have good reviews, of course. We will be launching by the end of the year My Zoover Travel Community. It's a great tool that will help us to know better our customers. They will be able to create an account and share with their friends all their travel plans. It will increase as well the collection and the quality of the reviews, and we will get useful information about the travel trends. So So we started in 2007 with 4 websites across Europe. This year we have 13, next year we'll have 21. We also have local offices on each market where we have local staff who understand the specificity of each market and who develop deals and partnerships with local players. So we are reaching by the end of the year 100 million visits, and we hope to double this by the end of next year. So our client portfolio covers mainly all big players in the travel market, and the good thing, like I said, is that we are really profitable already in the markets where we started, Benelux and Germany, and we expect to be profitable as well in other markets by the end of next year. So the actual crisis is an opportunity for us because our added value is underlined by both travelers and professionals. It has never been so important to get the transparency on the travel product about your holidays, your accommodation. Consumers want a great value for their money. On the other hand, the professional wants to optimize their budget. They care like never on their return on investment. And according to our customers, we have one of the highest conversion ratio in the travel space. So next time you plan your holidays, first go to Zuber and check out before you check in.
Zuber Holiday Reviews. Félicitations.